dear students, our next question is 1 plus cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon 1 plus cos A equal to, we want 2 cosec A. So initially we are starting with left hand side. That left hand side is 1 plus cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon 1 plus cos A. So here square relation is not possible to apply. So after square relation, our next preference is we can convert in sine and cos form. But already all terms are in sine and cos form. After that, if square relation is not possible, if sine and cos terms are not possible in left hand side, then we have to find LCM. It means do cross multiplication simply. Cross multiplication. If I multiply 1 plus cos A with 1 plus cos A, then it becomes 1 plus cos A whole bracket square. Because A plus B into A plus B, that is A plus B whole bracket square. And sin A with sin A, so sin A with sin A, that is sin square A. In denominator, just we have to write both denominators together without original multiplication. That we have to remember. So sin A 1 plus cos A. So step number 1 is LCM. After step number 1, in numerator, you can observe sin square is there, but cos square is not available. So if I apply that algebraic identity, which identity? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, if I apply that, A plus B whole square in first bracket, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square means 1 square is 1 plus B square. So cos A square is cos square A plus 2AB. It means 2 into 1 into cos A. So that is 2 cos A. For 2AB term, first of all you have to multiply that A and B. It means 1 into cos A. Then after 2. So it becomes 2 cos A. Plus sin square A. Denominator write as it is without original multiplication. So sin A 1 plus cos A. After this step, in step number 3, you can observe that in numerator cos square and sin square, both terms are there. So we can apply that first square relation. Which square relation? That relation is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So observe over here in next column. 1, we have to write 1 as it is. After that, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. 1 plus 2 cos A as it is. 2 cos A. In denominator, write as it is. The terms are term sin A 1 plus cos A. Now in numerator, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 plus 2 cos A sin A 1 plus cos A. 2 plus 2 cos A, 4 cos A is not possible. The simple reason is both are unlike terms. So if both are unlike, then we can take 2 common. 2 is common factor in both terms of numerator. So if I take 2 common, nothing is remaining. At that time we have to consider 1. If I take 2 common from that first term, remaining is 1. In second term, remaining is cos A. In denominator we have to write as it is sin A 1 plus cos A. Now observe, same bracket in numerator and denominator, so we can do cancellation. In numerator 2 is there, in denominator sin A. And as we already know that 1 upon sin A, 1 upon sin A is cosec A inverse relation. So 2 as it is, and 1 upon sin we can write cosec A. So that is our right hand side. So observe this question. In this question, square relation is not possible initially. All terms are in sin and cos. So what we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. It means concept of LCM. At that time, write both denominators together without original multiplication. That thing you have to remember in each and every question of trigonometry. Then after, in second step, we have applied A plus B whole square identity. A square plus B square plus 2AB. After that, in step number 3, square relation is possible. Cos square plus sin square, that is 1. One more 1 is there. So 2 times 1 and 2 cos A. Write denominator as it is. Now in step number 4, 1 plus 1 2. So 2 plus 2 cos A. Both are unlike terms, so we have to write as it is. In step number 5, we can take 2 common from both terms of numerator. So if we take 2 common remaining, if nothing is remaining, at that time we have to consider 1. So 1, and in second term cos A is remaining. After that 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, cut 2 and upon sin A. Upon sin A means cos A, that inverse relation. So from left hand side you can easily find out right hand side with the help of that spatial ratios, inverse relations and square relations and some basic algebraic identities.